Good afternoon, gentlemen. In the picture, I perceive five characters. Three of them are female and two of them are male, and all of them are in a positive mood. And the person who is standing in the line at the last is my central character, and his name is Ranjit. Ranjit is a final year engineering student who, on a Sunday, organized a plan to visit the defense exhibition, which is held nearby their college at Chennai. When they reached there, they stood in a line to enter the inauguration hall, and all they were excited to hear the speech of the army chief and the other leaders. And when they entered the halls where the exhibition products are displayed, they were very excited to see them. And Ranjit decided when he returned, we have to be a part in it, and he decided to join armed forces. Then he joined the army as an officer, and he felt proud of his country. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. In this picture, there are five characters, three female and two male. All are in positive mood, and my hero is the first person. They are all passed out engineering graduates. They are meeting after 1 month to collect their TC in the college, so they can apply for the higher studies. And so they are all in positive mood after because they all are meeting after 1 month.
Good afternoon, friends. There are five. there are five people standing in the line, and there are three. The three is females and two are males. So what my story tells me is they are standing for an interview. The thing is, 4 persons get selected in the interview. The one is remaining. That is my hero. That is, he names Ranjit. And the person who is not selected in the interview, he was just past 1 year, he was not doing any work, and the friends started teasing him and just asking about the work. Everyone just forces him for the work, but his passion was joining in the armed forces. So the thing is, he was preparing for the exams for past 1 year, and finally he gets selected and he starts chance, and he's proud of his country. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. The main plot of my story is thriving for the betterment of the society. So in the picture you have seen five characters, out of which main character was the center person, whose name is Rahul, and he is just 18 years old. During the elections, in the past few years, he is very disappointed due to the work of the government, and he did some research for the contesting parties, and after that, he found out that one of the party was very deserving. After that, he went out and he consulted his seniors, and he also, after listening to him, the seniors were really encouraged after seeing that a junior is into a lot of things. So after all that scenario, they went out for the elections, and they voted for the deserving party. And after the elections were over, and the winning party did a lot of development, and because of that, it made the country a better place to live. Thank you.
Friends, from the given picture, I have perceived 3 males and 2 females between the age group of 20 to 25. All are in positive mood, and my story runs like this. Suraj was a 3rd year geology student who got less marks in his 5th semester due to inter-college badminton match. He decided to cover up the marks in the externals and decided to make his own notes. So he bought his friend's note and made his own notes and consulted his professor and during lunchtime and cleared his doubts. He also preferred his practical journals for the better understanding. After a long period of focused study, he cleared the exam with good marks. His friends and teachers appreciated him. Thank you.
Friends, what I observed from the picture is there were 5 people, 3 women and 2 males. My center character is the last one, whose name is Arun, and he is an architect in a big company. Every Sunday they used to go for a film, and this Sunday also they are going for a film. And in the pleasant morning, the Arun took the initiative and planned all those things which are required for a trip. And they gone for the movie in a van, and they also planned for an outing and food from outside, and happily they went home.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. In the picture, I saw 3 females and 2 males, and they are standing in the queue. And the age group between 20 to 25 years old, and their mood was positive. My story was about Ashok. He completed his well graduated and equipped college, and he joined in the IT company. And every weekend he used to spend his weekend very useful manner to relieve the work stress from every weekdays. In this week, he planned and organizing the people and it goes for the theater. He saw some of the ladies struggling in the crowd, and he saw and he noticed and some people were smoking in the around the ticket crowds. And he wrote the letter to his higher authority, and after a month he saw the separate queue was made, and there was a separate seats were made in the theater, and the authorities congratulated Ashok. Thank you.
Friends, we all
Okay, man, I think that most of us are kind of person
Friends,
in
we
us
all
are
have made
you
it.
standing for
Friends, we are
something.
somewhere in the group.
Most of us are standing in the queue and standing for the show.
That is the casual friends.
Friends, what I was saying is that chess number 22 had made a nice
And there was
story. And solar energy is the need
Let's
of the
decide
hour.
what's the
So
story
let us take
about.
solar energy
Yeah,
and
they are
standing in the
queue.
Okay, let's decide what the show is about. It's a queue. It's a queue. Yeah, standing for some other show. Let's decide
Yes,
what's
Mike
there.
has made a very good point regarding the current scenario where India has played with Kenya and it has made the country proud.
Yes. So let us make it as a sports thing.
Okay,
and
let's make
can we
it
make it a cricket?
We can make a good story
match.
over that. So let
Okay.
us introduce our hero as Rahul or Arun, who went
Okay.
to
Okay,
watch
some of
the
the
game.
people are
He got
impressing the
motivated
crowd
after
to buy
watching
the
that.
tickets there. In seeing the match, there are some crowd in the queue, and some ladies are struggling, and one female was going to slip from the queue. We also observed from the picture, and there was a much crowd in the match.
I agree to the point of chess
Yeah.
number so and so, but we are making a story on sports.
Based on
Sports.
Yeah.
They are not struggling, they are standing in a queue.
We are
One
saying-
female was going to slip from
Okay,
the queue.
sports. Now let's fix the game now.
Then we can make the common theme as a sports
Okay,
and
hockey,
games.
hockey. Let's
So
make
let us
it
start
hockey.
with our
Let's
female
make a
story.
current scenario. India versus Kenya is held, and India beat Kenya with 3 goals. Let's make it in that picture.
Yeah, how that our
Okay,
hero
just
got
number 6, I
motivated
agree
and
with
Our
you.
hero got
I feel
motivated
that
to come
it's
in the
good to put hockey because it's
No,
a
it's
national
decided-
event.
It's a current
Anyway,
scenario.
it's a
It's
story
Russia's,
now.
our FIFA World Cup is going on, so let us make a story
Let's
on
make
that.
it's
Okay,
on
fine.
sport.
Okay,
If
fine.
you are
Scenario,
chess
on
number
top of that,
40.
it is not popular. Most of the people don't know about football that India has done. India, where it was in 3 digits ranked, it is now in 2 digits, and Sunil Chhetri has made
64 goals, and he was competitive with Messi.
Okay, fine.
So
Then
number
make it a
44
quicker
for
match.
discussion.
Chess
Yeah.
number 46 also selected that last person because he is seen as a proud and excited.
He is very
Exactly.
excited.
Okay,
He is proud of
we want to
his country.
Okay,
improve the
friends,
medal in the
second
national level. We want to improve the rural sports and games. For that, we can create some
Awareness.
Campaign.
awareness campaign in
Awareness
the
people to
Our
play that
hero is
game.
from a background, village background. He was not aware of the match and how to get selected and all that. After watching this match, he got motivated and asked, talked to the authority over his village and started to build up their career and explaining
And
them about the sports to the local
Okay.
village youths.
Chess number
Okay.
Just
Okay,
number
we can
64
tell the
adding to
story.
your mind,
Tell us
we
the
can
five
make the
members.
summer camp like in a summer days the school children are in annual leave. At that time we can implement this summer camp in sports activities. They can get interested towards the sport activities.
Yes,
Yes,
They are in a
just number
childhood.
22, I agree with you.
We
We
can
can
also
make
add
him
that.
as he's a successful coach.
Okay, not
Okay.
successful coach. He was just watched that
Okay,
football match. So,
Football match.
I
He's
mean
standing
that
in the-
want to be a
finally
watch the
okay.
match.
okay.
From the picture,
Let us
we can
see.
observe that there is a lady standing in the front of the queue. Then
So
we
we
can see that
Again,
girls are also
female
interested in
sleeping.
They are our
Okay.
audience who came to there to watch movies. Let us do that.
Okay.
And so,
Let's.
Because they all were wearing the
Let's-
casual
we can-
dress,
let's
and there
make it
was
so
We can make a
Yes,
step
yes,
as
training dress
people
only
came
they
to
are
watch the
wearing.
movie.
Even
People
they
came
are-
to watch the movie. So that they can stand in a line.
friend, we have decided with
It's
this.
a
Yeah.
sports
Yeah.
game.
Yeah.
So they are standing for a sports game in
There,
a
to watch the match, they are going in the stadium.
So Rahul was our main hero. He went to watch the
Match.
football
Match.
match.
Football match.
After watching that match, how India performed and the
And he got
level of
inspired and
audience
he
there.
has-
He wants to do something for the country.
I have a good idea. I have a good idea. When he went there, he saw that most of the audience were from that Norway. Which place you said?
Kenya.
Kenya. Audience were there, and our audience were less.
That's the motivation level of our country in football. What that is not
In a sports,
proven.
in a
So it
games
is
and
also
sports.
be added
Just
to
number
the
64,
story.
we can also bring that he wanted to do something for his
Just number
country.
64.
And he was spreading awareness to the rural
Let us start from the village.
and rural people also can join in the
Friends, we can't
village.
blame our country also because nowadays our country also contributing much towards the sports and games. Such make us conduct some camp regarding to the improving the rural sports and activities and develop the sports person from the rural background because they lack in their practice and their
From the starting day, we want to implement their sports. We must go to the schools and tell the awareness about the sports.
Let's
What are the advantages?
consider the group of college peoples go for that village school
And the
and
campaigning
they
can be done using social media. Social media plays a very vital role. So we can use social media.
if it is a college students they get
If we include
Okay,
any
let's-
program or abhiyan, it's don't
Okay,
become
seeing
our
the
story.
program here.
And we can also arrange the parents. We can make the parents are not about showing
Okay, he becomes himself there and he also motivates others to join.
making the parents so they can be able to tell to the parents and we can
Okay,
implement the
let's
sports in
start
the
the
We do
schools.
ourselves. Okay, if you inform our government officials, then after that, all they will take
As
care.
a-
Our role will end over there.
Okay.
So let us move forward and play more role in that.
Okay.
So take it as a motivation level, and he was introduced into the village where he told his friends about the sports and the.
What are the advantages and what are the job
Yes,
opportunities?
yes, yes.
we are joining
Just
in
number
the
81, I
sports?
completely agree with you. The guy standing in a loss, who's
Yeah.
from village, they make a college student with a
Awareness.
group and go to the some schools and colleges, then told to importance of sports and they give more importance about sports.
Okay,
We
That's
can
how-
also
and
make
not
the-
the stories, they are
we can also
waiting
make
for
the
watch
parents
their
meetings
match
because the
and he
parents
gets
are not
motivated
able
and
to
he
show
goes
it
to
in
his
the
village
same
and he is creating awareness.
Your time is up. Now, one of you selected by the group can give out the group consists.
Yeah, 81, okay.
Thank you. Thanks, friends, for nominating me. Good afternoon, officers. My group has concluded the story about the Ashok. He was completed his graduation and he went to saw a football match and he saw the football match very well. And after coming to his village, he organizing the group and he make the awareness to rural peoples and he made very well. And some of the rural peoples also joined in sports. And he is coming. Village people are appreciating him. Thank you.